73 in 3, 2, 1, go!
As Autonomous kicks off, Red Alliance the first to score 3 notes very quickly. 930 and Nicolay go back for an additional. Now 930 to that center line. Over on the blue side of the field, 2 notes scored so far as the final moments of Autonomous conclude. The Red Alliance leads 26-14 with drivers now control in teleop. Let's take a look at the status of the amps right away here. We see 8847 Milwaukee Cyber Cheese. They get their first note. They bypass that amp and go straight to the subwoofer, trying to score in the speaker for the Blue Alliance. They're up against their alliance partner, Robotics, and that final member of the Blue Alliance, USM Robotics Wildcats. They're choosing to work on the amp for the Blue Alliance. 4786 Nicolay Fleer, they place the first note through the front face of the amp for Red. It hasn't been counted quite yet, but there it is for the Red Alliance. Both sides of the field have chosen to hit that co-op button, so only 15 notes required for the Melody ranking point here in qualification match number 73. Nicolay Fear with the second note now. 2 notes are banked up for the Red Alliance, but no offensive robots in that Red Alliance wing quite yet. 930 has been sitting in the center of the field for a few moments. Drive Team getting a close look at the status of that robot. They still appear to have communication with that robot. Meanwhile, their alliance partner, Intra Milwaukee, putting up some speaker launches for the Red Alliance. Nicolay cycling in right behind them. 8847 Cyber Cheese playing some defense against those Red Alliance robots as they attempt to cycle. Maquanago Bears, they've still got manipulation on their launcher mechanism, but nothing, it looks like, on their drivetrain, at least as we can tell from the table. They've still got 45 seconds of match play remaining, and the Red Alliance is still in the lead, 50-29. Cyber Cheese, Rocket, and USM Robotics, all 3 blue robots in the Blue Alliance wing. Big collision between Intra Milwaukee and Rocket Robotics, red and blue respectively. 4786 cycling out of the Red Alliance source, but we do see some defense being played by blue. Nicolay, they break free. They were the only robot in that Red Alliance wing, so a very easy launch and score up in the speaker for the Blue Alliance. Red Alliance rather. Just 1 note required for the ranking point, but we're down under 10 seconds remaining now. Rocket Robotics might be the first to climb for the Red Alliance. Nicolay up off the ground at the conclusion of qualification match number 73. 59-46 in that match. Red Alliance victorious. They earned 2 ranking points. You will see that on the blue side of the field, they did earn the ensemble ranking point despite a stage score of 3. That was due to violation of G424. That's